Hello, today I am going to make Khunafa. It is a Middle Eastern dessert made from cream cheese and vermicelli. First we have to take 1 cup sugar and add 1 cup water to it. Boil it till the sugar dissolves in water. Take 2 cups of vermicelli, which is approximately 150 grams. Crush it to tiny bits. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Mix well. And keep it aside. Now when the sugar has completely dissolved in the water, add 2 pods of cardamom, a pinch of saffron food color, now keep it aside. In a pan, add half liter of milk. Boil till it reduces to half. Now add 1 tablespoon of malai or fresh cream. Mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of processed cheese. Now add 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar. Mix well. Keep the cream cheese mixture aside. Now grease a metal bowl or cake tin with butter or oil. To this add half of the vermicelli. Spread it evenly on all sides by pressing it. Layer the cream cheese mixture. Now spread rest of the vermicelli on top. Lightly press it, so that it retains the shape. Take a big pan or karahi and place a stand or steel lid. Cook on medium heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the Khunafa in a plate. Now pour the sugar syrup on the Khunafa. Now pour 3 to 4 tablespoons of the sugar syrup on the Khunafa. Decorate the Khunafa with costly grinded pistachio. tastes best when served hot. If you like my video, please do like and subscribe. See you soon with another delicious recipe.